Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. I am going to show you that how to fix page is not available right now in your Instagram. Let me guide by 4 methods that how to fix this problem. First of all, you just need to open your settings, scroll down and then click on the apps management. And here click on the app settings and then search here for your Instagram. Once you find, click to open it. Here click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then click OK. So right after that you have to just tap and hold on your Instagram app and then click to uninstall it. After uninstallation you just need to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and with a stable internet connection you must need to reinstall your Instagram from your Play Store. And after reinstallation you must need to log in back to your Instagram account and your problem will be fixed. And the second method is simply to open your Play Store and then search here for your Instagram and check that if any update is available for your app, then you have to just update it. Once you're done, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third and the most effective method, you just need to restart your device one time, and after restarting your device, you just need to check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. It is much better to change the network connection if available. Like if you are using the cellular data, then you just need to turn it to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it off and then turn it to your mobile data. And the next step is simply to restart the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for a couple of the minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your Instagram app, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And our last and the final solution is that you just need to install the old version of your Instagram. For this, open your Play Store and then search there for the old version of Instagram and then install it. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe to my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.